My name is Vartika and she is my daughter Sia.
Hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Govind.
Okay, so the entire experience with Palak was very good and I highly recommend her. It was a good decision choosing her as our interior designer. And I just want to say one thing, thank you Palak, I'm so grateful. आपने मेरे मकान को घर बनाया. So thank you heartily.
So I would like to say, if anyone is interested in doing the interior, should consider Palak. So Palak has designed our beautiful home. So working with Palak was a very wonderful experience. So Palak has assisted us in 3D design, colors, color selection, material selection, as well as she also helped us in budgeting. So throughout the design process, I would say that Palak was very flexible and very patient. She listened to our all the thoughts, vague ideas, and converted them into reality. And finally, big thank you Palak and her team for creating such a wonderful home for us.
And this is our beautiful house in Eon Homes, which is beautifully designed by Palak, and we are very impressed by her work. How I know Palak, actually we both live in the same society, so we used to meet when we take our children down. So she became my friend, and later I came to know that she is an interior designer, and I checked her videos, and I've also heard the reviews that she has done some pretty amazing jobs. So I've just checked the video and I find it really amazing, and that time me and my husband both decided that we are going with her, and we just saved ourselves from the hassle of finding, going everywhere and meeting different interiors designers. So yeah, and rest is a history.
So about the client, Mr. Govind and Mrs. Vartika, पूरा जो process था हमारा design से लेके execution से लेके, I can just say that the bond has got stronger and stronger. The reason is कि इतना ज़्यादा उन लोगों ने भी cooperate किया है हर चीज़ में, and एक भी मूवमेंट या एक भी सिलेक्शन टाइम या एक भी एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम आई डोंट रिमेम्बर के वी हैड अननेसेसरी स्ट्रेस ऑन द साइड. सो पूरा उनके अंडरस्टैंडिंग की वजह से जो हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन का फेज है, इट वेंट सो स्मूथ एंड वी हैड एंजॉयड एवरी बिट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. To be honest, for any designer, clients like that is a dream come true, because we could actually propose the vision we had in our mind and even execute it on the side. So thank you so much Vartika and Govind for trusting us and giving us the opportunity to convert your home into the dream home. And one more special thanks to Sia. So thank you Sia for getting so excited about each and everything, and that made us feel so good that once I remember we handed over the project to Sia. So I remember the day when we handed over the project to client. Sia came to me and said, "Auntie, I just love my room and thank you so much." So that feeling I will never forget in my life, because at the end that is all what matters for me. So thank you so much Sia for giving me also a lifetime memory. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Palak, I'm an interior designer, and today I'm here to share with you guys one of the most amazing project we have handed over. So this project is in Eon Homes. So this home belongs to Mr. Govind and Mrs. Vartika. So to give you the brief, they bought this flat and then they connected with us for the interiors and the execution thing, and that was giving us so much confidence that no, we are on a right track. So let's start the home tour. So for this home tour, for the very first time, we are not going to start from the entrance. We were first going to show you the most beautiful room of the house. So ये जो room है, that belongs to a very pretty girl. Let me call her. Come. So she's Sia Tripathi and this room belongs to her. So she's the one जो सबसे ज़्यादा excited रहे हैं for the entire process. Whenever she meet me, she only had one question कि आंटी आप मेरा room कब करके दे रहे हो? And I just love my room. I just can't wait to shift in my room. So for the very first time, I want her to give you guys a home tour of her room in her own words, and this was a surprise for her. Definitely she is not prepared for this, but I know she is going to kill it. So without wasting any more time, let me hand over the mic to her. And I want to add one thing. I had most amazing fun designing this room for her, and she was the loveliest client we can ever have. So let's start. So now Sia, you have the room to yourself. You can explain it.
Okay. Hi everyone and welcome to my room, and I'm Sia Tripathi from grade 5A, and I'm going to show you my room. This is what I have approved and this is what Palak aunty had made. First I will start with my favorite place is the bed. I really like this light which aunty has designed for me. About my bed, I really like the wallpaper because it gives a very relaxing and positive vibe. And when I go to sleep, I put this on because no one buys me a night lamp, so I have this only. So I really like this. It has my name. I always wanted it, and she made my dream come true. And when I feel too sleepy, I turn it off. And when I get up of the bed, and I feel like I'm floating because of this light over here. And sometimes I read books here with this light on at the night.
So I guess मतलब मेरा जो जॉब है एक्सप्लेन करने का, she has done better than me. So yeah, Sia, you are a pro. So to add on to what she has said, यहाँ पे जो सिया का हमने रूम डिजाइन करना स्टार्ट किया, एंड जो उनके पेरेंट्स की तरफ से और सिया की तरफ से हमें एक ब्रीफ मिला था, उसमें इट वाज लाइक दे डेफिनेटली वांटेड अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल बेड एंड अ वेरी नाइस बेड बैक वॉल. तो सिया का सबसे बेस्ट चीज ये है कि शी इज अ ड्रीमर एंड शी इज वेरी क्यूरियस. दिस ऑल ब्रीफ आई गॉट फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स एंड दे वांटेड कि सिया का जो भी रूम है उसमें डेफिनेटली बहुत ही ज्यादा फंक्शनलिटी की अगर हम बात करें, दे वांटेड अ फ्री स्पेस एज मच एज पॉसिबल सो दैट उनको कभी भी प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने हैं या कुछ भी फ्लोर स्पेस चाहिए, इफ समबडी इज कमिंग एंड दे वांट टू सिट एंड प्ले ऑन द फ्लोर आल्सो, दे हैव अ स्पेस. सो हमने कॉर्नर बेड लिया हुआ है सो दैट बाकी का जो एरिया है वो पूरा आपको ओपन मिल जाए. Then definitely, as you can see, she is a lovely personality and we wanted her room to depict the same. So यहाँ पे हमने पूरा जो थीम कलर पैलेट लिया हुआ है that is a pink, एंड उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे व्हाइट कलर ऐड किया हुआ है एंड सम हिंट एंड टिंट ऑफ द ग्रे इज आल्सो देयर. उनका जो मेन बेड है उसका हेडबोर्ड हमने फ्लावर थीम का लिया हुआ है एंड टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट द सेम वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल वॉलपेपर एज सिया मेंशन. आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड द वर्ड शी वाज यूजिंग, लाइक रिलैक्सिंग एंड पॉजिटिविटी. डेफिनेटली एवरी किड नीड्स दैट इन द रूम. And then we have this coal light which also works as a night lamp, and the best element definitely is the name which you can see over here, and it is also in the pink shade.
I like the texture. Whenever I touch it, it's like a teddy bear. And when my relatives visited, my cousin sister really liked this cushion and the room.
So coming back to the bed, हमने जो bed है उसके नीचे भी we have provided one indirect light. So this is about the bed and definitely the bed has the storage.
Now let me show you about side table. So it also has a large storage which I keep some of my books and some medical supplies in it, and I love the knobs and the color of his side table, and it is a great place to keep artifacts, showpieces and books on it.
So Sia, now what would you like to explain next?
I would like to explain the study table.
Yeah, sure.
As you can see, this is what I have approved and this is what Palak aunty made. So I really like the light part because whenever I study here, it gives like a magnificent shade for me. which I really like, and I really like this glass. If like I can make calculations on this glass and I can rub it off. As you can see here, I can draw on this glass anything, like for example, like I made this dress. I'm not really good at making this, but I just wanted to show how it works. And about this, I can keep, like, this is the best place for keeping showpieces, books and other things. And about the loft, it like has a smooth texture and it has a lot of space which you can keep anything like a suitcase, books, anything, remaining things. And I really like what the Palak auntie made, and I keep all my notebooks and things in here. I keep my bags and I keep my homework books in here. And I really like Palak auntie's design.
Thank you, Sia.
Welcome.
So I don't know if I'll be able to explain better than her. So giving you just the shortest brief, they needed a very big study table because definitely they have lots of books. यहाँ पे ऊपर हमें चाहिए था एक light जो directly focus करे on this surface and some open space so that they can just arrange the books and other stationeries. On the bottom of the loft also we have this concealed surface light which falls on the shelf, so it gives a very soothing look. And as Sia perfectly said, we have some storage. So now Sia, what would you like to explain next about your room?
I would like to explain about the wardrobe, and I really like the shade of this pink and this white because it really suits with my room. Now I will show you the amazing part which I like of the wardrobe. When we open it has a sensor up there, and I really like this light warm white, and it also has a very big storage here. You can keep anything you want there, like toys, books and anything. Easier to see because it also has a glass over here, and this is really big in width, which I like. I have a lot of things, and there are like 3 shelves for my clothes and 1 hanging compartment and for my dresses. This also has a soft close so it can't bang over here and get a few scratches. Here also I have a big door, which is similar, means it's same, it's even more bigger. Let me show you the area where I get ready, and it is the dresser. As you can see, this is what I have approved, and this is how Palak auntie made it. As you can see, I really like this light, because when I look at it, it give a positive feeling, and it gives a really nice effect when I'm ready. And I really like this effect, how it's curved, because it is like the same shape like my bed. And I really like how it open because it's like smooth and it like doesn't creak and all. And there's a lot of storage which I kept. And this is about my dresser, and this is the drawer which I kept a lot of things, but there still is more storage. Now we are going to talk about the curtains. When I turn off all the lights, the whole room becomes like neon pink, and I really like the shade, and it's also a nice view from here. And in the future I am planning to think that I'll just put a chair and it will be my cozy area to read books.
Thank you, Sia. So as you can see, she has given the entire tour of her room, and thank you, Sia, for everything. We love designing your room. So now just I'll give you little brief which was there. So ये जो room है वो पूरा जो finish है ये room का, that we have done in the PU finish. So the entire project you can call it's a luxurious project because यहाँ पे हमने जो भी finishes लिए हुए हैं वो पूरा PU veneer और glass में है. We have not used laminate finish और basic finish जो रहता है. So entire home interior falls under the luxurious criteria which we have. ये जो पूरा रूम है उसमें हमने फ्लूटेड शीट्स भी यूज किया हुआ है. देन वी हैव यूज सम नाइस पेस्टल कलर्स आल्सो ओवर हियर. ये जो कर्टन है वी वांटेड कि ये पूरा रूम जब हम लाइट से प्ले करें या मेन लाइट्स बंद हो तो पूरा रूम में हमें एक पिंक शेड चाहिए था. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी वर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट सिलेक्टिंग द शेड ऑफ दिस कर्टेन. सो एज मोस्टली सिया हैज explained everything, just minor details over here कि as you can see over here in the wardrobe 3D हमें ये exactly सेम चीजें ही इम्प्लीमेंट करनी थी. बिकॉज फॉर पर्टिकुलरली दिस रूम हमने जब भी 3D डिजाइन प्रपोज किया क्लाइंट को, इट वाज लाइक दे लव्ड द 3D डिजाइन थॉरली एंड इट दे जस्ट हैड वन थिंग, पलक जो 3D में दिखा है वी लीव इट अप टू यू, आप बस 3D में जो दिख रहा है वैसा हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करके दीजिए. सो यहाँ पे जैसे वार्डरोब के हैंडल्स है वो हमें सेम चाहिए थे तो हमने वो भी कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है. एज यू कैन सी अबाउट द वॉलपेपर्स, जो हमने 3D में वॉलपेपर्स दिखाया हुआ है वो हमने पूरा कस्टमाइज करके वॉलपेपर लगाया है यहाँ पे. द एंटायर रूम इज डन इन द ग्लॉसी PU फिनिश एंड विच गिव्स अ वेरी सूदिंग एंड नीट लुक. बिकॉज जब भी आप PU यूज करते हो you don't have any sharp edges and you don't have the black lining which you generally see in the laminate thing. So this was about this beautiful kids room.
Palak has a keen eye on proper balance and proportion, which can be seen when the project is executed, and in the final result you can see that the quality of her work is awesome. You will not find a single flaw. And one more part of the Palak I can say is which is very good, her passion for her job. I mean, whenever it's like sometimes it has happened that we have finalized 3D and the work is about to be executed, and at the end moment we and my husband thought of some changes, and we just give her a call and she very patiently just listen to us, and her line is like, I will try my level best, and I have seen that whatever changes we have asked for, it's been done. I mean, from her side, which is a very good thing.
Now let me take you on the other area. So let me show you the beautiful entrance of this house. First of all, यहाँ पे हमने एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी नेम प्लेट कस्टमाइज करवाई है. This was also done by Priyanka Kinariwala as our almost of the projects. So mostly इंडियन घर में ये रहता है कि when you enter in the house, आपको डोर के ऊपर you need some nice भगवान का मूर्ति या फ्रेम. सो यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी वी हैव डन सम नाइस पैनलिंग, और हमने 2 बॉक्सेस बनाए हुए हैं विच ऑल्सो हैज सम नाइस लाइट, और हमने अंदर की जो फ्रेम्स ऑर्डर की है उसमें भी बैक लाइट है. सो इट गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस लुक. और एंटायरली जो एग्जिस्टिंग मेन डोर है, बिकॉज हमने मेन डोर चेंज नहीं किया है, सो वी वर वेरी श्योर कि हमें मेन डोर को मर्ज करे वैसे ही डिजाइन करनी है. तो ऊपर हमने सेम कॉम्बिनेशन का पैनलिंग लिया हुआ है विद द लाइट्स. सो नाउ लेट मी टेक यू इनसाइड द हाउस. So come on in, let me show you this beautiful home. So you see this beautiful partition when you enter in the house. यहाँ पे हमने आई लेवल पे गणेशा का कार्विंग किया हुआ है, and then we have this grate. The reason behind this कि हमें एंट्रेंस में वैसा पार्टीशन चाहिए था which divides the main area when the people are standing over here, but at the same time जो इतना अच्छा स्पेशियस लिविंग रूम है उसको भी हमें कंजेस्टेड नहीं दिखाना था. सो फॉर दैट रीजन हमने यहाँ पे वर्टिकल ग्रेड्स रख दिए हैं, एंड द पार्टीशन इज फ्रॉम द फ्लोर टू सीलिंग टच. सो दिस हैज कम आउट रियली नाइस, एंड द फिनिशिंग इज ऑल्सो एज वी वांटेड. सो दिस इज अबाउट द पार्टीशन. Now let me show you the other side of the entrance. So this is a shoe rack cum console area. यहाँ पे ये घर में पूरा जो हमारा फिनिश है for this living area specifically, it is entirely in veneer plus PU finish and PU finish. So when client gives us the freedom to go for little luxurious material like PU and veneer, तो हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा freedom आ जाती है to utilize our creativity into the design. जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो, we have this curve which is also very smooth, और उसका फिनिशिंग भी इतना ही अच्छा है. that is because ये veneer पे PU हुआ है. This is a shoe rack. हमें हैंडललेस shoe rack करना था, so we have this push to open shutter over here. अंदर हमने divisions दे दिए हैं as per the client's requirement. Then we have this golden line. So what we try is कि जो भी 3D client approve किया है, they have that trust कि नहीं हमें 3D में जैसा दिख रहा है, at least 95% वैसा ही होगा. When you see in the 3D, we have this golden line over here. So even that tiny detail also we keep in the mind while execution. So this is also PU finish. And then we have a top. यहाँ पे साइड में हमारा सिटिंग है. As you see यहाँ पे भी हमने कर्व दे दिया है because यहाँ से एंट्रेंस का डोर है और यहाँ पे सामने पार्टीशन है. We did not wanted to take any chance कि यहाँ पे आते जाते किसी को भी कोई चीज लगे. So on both the corners हमने साइड में राउंड एजेस दे दिया है. Then we have a storage over here. Now you see this beautiful golden finish wall over here. इसको भी हमने wallpaper finished किया हुआ है. And I just love the texture this wallpaper has. It has a shades of golden जिसके ऊपर जब लाइट गिरती है it gives you very amazing feeling. यहाँ का लिविंग एरिया का as you have seen हमने पार्टीशन भी गोल्ड फिनिश में लिया हुआ है. Then we have given some hint on the shoe rack of the gold and the wallpaper is also gold finish. This is about this side of the living area. Now let me show you the most amazing part and detail of this living area. That's a TV unit. So now first let me show you how we have designed the showstopper area of this living room. This is a 3D and this is the final outcome. Now let me take you on that side. So this is the TV unit wall. यहाँ पे as you can see this is the most gorgeous onyx marble which we have selected. So हमने जब पहले ये TV unit डिजाइन किया था we were having different kind of material over here. Then going forward client और हमारा discussion हुआ that if we can go for some more beautiful design on this side, then we suggested we can go for a onyx marble. Nothing looks more classier than onyx marble. Definitely it is quite luxurious product, so it is not that pocket friendly, but it gives amazing look when even it is the lights are on or off. So Govind and Vartika were so quick about all the decision in entire this project phase कि हमें वो प्रॉब्लम कभी आया नहीं कि कोई सिलेक्शन के लिए भेजा एंड देन दे आर टेकिंग 10 days 15 days के ओके वी विल गेट बैक टू यू या शो अस मोर डिजाइन. सो दे हैड दैट लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आल्सो ऑन अस एंड इट वर्कड अमेजिंग. सो ये जो हमने ओनिक्स मार्बल भी सिलेक्शन के लिए गए थे, सो इट इज अ टास्क इवन टू अप्लाई द ओनिक्स मार्बल ऑन साइट. सो वी गेट द स्किल्ड लेबर who just do the onyx work and they come and they fix the onyx marble over here, and then you can see the final outcome. It looks amazing when entire room's lights are off and you just have this on. It gives you amazing feel. So even when the lights are off, the natural texture and the design of onyx marble gives a very soothing look. And then on the top and the bottom we have this veneer paneling with the PU finish. So client wanted the entire wall to look elegant and luxurious. So we always suggest कि अगर कोई भी डिजाइन आप ले रहे हो, it is floor to ceiling touch, it definitely gives you amazing look. So we have done the same thing over here. Then we have selected the same switchboard finish whatever backdrop we have with. So पूरे घर में हमने switchboard की अलग अलग डिजाइन एंड कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सिलेक्ट किया है डिपेंडिंग कि पीछे हमने क्या डिजाइन लिया हुआ है. As you can see यहाँ पे ब्राउन विनियर किया हुआ है with PU finish, तो हमने यहाँ पे ब्राउन पैनल वाला स्विचबोर्ड लिया हुआ है. नीचे हमने स्टोरेज दिया हुआ है. Then we have this nice open space for remotes and other items, and then we have this push to open drawers for the storage. So this entire wall contains the marble, the veneer and the PU finish का combination. Then we have this nice light on the end of this wall. So this is about the TV unit. Now let me show you the sofa back wall. So first let me show you how we have designed this wall in the 3D. And this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details now. So about this main wall of the living area, एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टिल एंड हमें कोई डिविजन नहीं चाहिए था विजुअली, बिकॉज इतना अच्छा स्पेशियस उनका लिविंग एरिया है. वी वांटेड टू मेक द लेंथ ऑफ द रूम मोर एनहांस रादर देन ब्रेकिंग इट. सो हमने पूरा जो थ्रू आउट एक ही डिजाइन लिया हुआ है. डेफिनेटली इट हैज सम कर्व्स एंड लाइनिंग्स एंड ऑल. एंड उसमें इफ यू नोटिस स्टार्टिंग में यहाँ पे एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैनल है, उसको हमें हाईलाइट नहीं करना था. डेफिनेटली जब डोर ओपन होता है तो वो हाइड हो जाता है, बट व्हेन द डोर इज शट इट कम्स इन द विजन. अगर उसके ऊपर कुछ हमने डिजाइन एलिमेंट एड ऑन नहीं किया होता तो हमने ये पूरा जो पैनल पे इफेक्ट दिया हुआ है, द सेम थिंग वी हैव अप्लाइड ऑन द इलेक्ट्रिकल बोर्ड टू मेक इट लुक सीमलेस. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, एज यू कैन सी इन द 3D डिजाइन, हमने एग्जैक्टली जो डिजाइन दिया है, जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन दिया है, हमें वही चाहिए था. सो वी वेंट फॉर द कस्टमाइज वॉलपेपर का ऑप्शन. सो ओवरऑल ये वॉल जो है इतनी प्यारी लग रही है. आई डोंट नो वीडियो में वो जस्टिफाई हो रहा है कि नहीं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम जैसे आपने 3D में देखा, हमने जहाँ पे वॉल क्लॉक लगाया था, वी वांटेड द सेम प्लेस फॉर द वॉल क्लॉक. एंड सब कुछ हमने कस्टमाइज किया हुआ है तो ही वो पॉसिबल हुआ है. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमने ये वॉलपेपर कस्टमाइज कर दिया बट उसका जो रेडिएशन है ऊपर का, उसी के हिसाब से हमें वॉल क्लॉक भी चाहिए था, क्योंकि इससे छोटी वॉल क्लॉक या इससे बड़े वॉल क्लॉक होती तो वो मैच नहीं होना था. सो इवन द वॉल क्लॉक वी हैव done customization. Again, like nameplate wall clock is also from Priyanka Kirariwala, and it goes so nicely with the entire theme of the living area. Now coming to the very beautiful and classy sofa. Even this is customized, as you can see in 3D over here, and this is the real outcome. You can't see any difference on this. So this is the sofa, and then we have a curtain selection. So we wanted to go for a very mild but classic curtain selection. So we have these two curtains. One is sheer and solid. So this is about the sofa and dining wall side. Now let me show you how we have designed the crockery unit. So this is the 3D which we designed, and this is the real outcome. So this is the wall which I'm obsessed with, because I just love the color combination which has finally happened on the side. यहाँ पे crockery unit है हमारा. So yeah, we wanted to add some colors. As you have seen my work, I love playing with colors, but at the same time it has to be in the actual proper proportion. Otherwise, when you are playing with colors and it is not proportionately done or with the right amount of contrast with that, it looks very shabby, I can say. But here see, we have used pink, we have used blue, we have used brown, and we have also added some colors. But overall, we have also given the contrast of very subtle colors which complements the brighter color very nicely. And colors definitely gives you so much of positivity in the house. So I highly recommend using colors whenever you are designing your house. Coming back to this unit, यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज्यादा स्टोरेज चाहिए था, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वी वांटेड द सेग्रीगेटेड स्टोरेज. तो यहाँ पे हमने पूरे ड्रॉवर्स बना दिए हैं. एट द सेम टाइम आपने अगर नोटिस किया हो, हमने पूरे लिविंग एरिया में कहीं पे भी हैंडल्स नहीं लगाए हैं, बी इट शू रैक और टीवी यूनिट. So the same thing, we did not wanted any handles on the crockery. यहाँ पे हमने ये पूरा डिजाइन जो दिया हुआ है, we also have this slit. So we have the finger grooves on the drawers, which is very user friendly. On the top we have the veneer cladding, और उसके ऊपर हमने PU किया हुआ है, एंड सामने हमने इलेक्ट्रिकल पैनल दिया हुआ है. So as आपने टीवी यूनिट वाली वॉल पे भी देखा, हमने सेम मैच किया है. यहाँ पे भी स्विच बोर्ड का जो पैनल है उसको हमने विनियर के साथ मैच किया हुआ है. Now coming to the main accent wall of this side, यहाँ पे हमने पूरा throughout ceiling touch mirror दिया हुआ है. Whenever we do any designing, I definitely feel कि अगर आप living area में mirror work add करते हो, it enhance the space very nicely, because एक तो आपको luxurious look देता है, spacious लगता है, and it gives a very classy look as well. यहाँ पे हमने mirror ले लिया है, and then we have this beautiful design on that. So this is about the crockery wall. Now about the ceiling. Ceiling में हमने lights change किया हुआ है. We have installed 3-in-1 lights, and border जो है पूरे living area की, उसमें हमने RGB light लगाई हुई है. So for the ceiling, as you can see, हमने पूरी ceiling में POP का ग्रू दिया हुआ है, and then we have given the RGB lights, which looks really classy. As you can see, we have this options over here. तो इसमें पूरे color options है. This is a touch panel. We have so many color options over here. It looks very nice if we have birthday parties or some get together or some parties like that. तो we can just start this light. इसका जो shadow reflection है वो पूरे living area में काफी अच्छे से spread होता है, and we have so many options also on that. So it can also work as a mood light. So as you can see, we have two openings in the living area. One is towards the kitchen, one is towards the other bedrooms passage. यहाँ पे हमें एक paneling कर दिया है which is veneer paneling और उसके ऊपर PU किया है. It definitely looks amazing, but at the same time जो wall के edges होते हैं, eventually once you start living in the house, वो edges सबसे ज्यादा खराब हो जाता है और डैमेज होता है. So to avoid that also this works the best. So यहाँ पे भी हमने कर्व इफेक्ट दिया हुआ है. If you notice तो हमने सामने वाली वॉल जो है वहाँ के वॉलपेपर में भी we had this कर्व का little hint. So we wanted to continue the curve theme on the other side also. So this is about the paneling.
One more thing I like about Palak is she is available anytime if you have any query, or if you have some urgency, even if it's midnight, then she will definitely pick your call and she'll reply, she'll revert back, which is a very good thing about her. And one more thing, she delivers the project on time, that I have seen it, because we were on rent previously and I have already given the notice to our owner. So I told her that we want to move to the house by the month end, and she made sure, and she actually gave us the key on 25th of July, and we moved to our house. Handover के बाद जब उन्होंने चीज़ें यूज़ करनी स्टार्ट की, तो उसके बाद कहीं होता है कि आप कभी कुछ देखते हैं, कहीं चीज़ कोई लूज़ है, कहीं थोड़ा टचअप का चांसेस हैं, तो वो भी फिर पलक को आई कॉन्टेक्टेड हर, फिर उसने भेजे अपने जो भी हैं उनकी टीम वाले, तो उन लोग ने पूरा सब कुछ अच्छे से जैसा होना चाहिए था वैसा किया. अभी जैसे काफ़ी सारे आर्टिफैक्ट्स हैं या फिर कुछ वॉल हैंगिंग है, हम लोग अभी वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग दोज थिंग्स फॉर द हाउस. सो जैसे कुछ ड्रिलिंग है या कुछ लगाना है, और अगर या तो फिर चाहिए कि कौन से पार्ट में इट विल लुक नाइस, तो आई टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द पलक.
नाउ लेट मी टेक यू टू द अदर एरिया ऑफ द हाउस. So now let me show you how we have designed the kitchen in the 3D, and this is the real outcome. So for the kitchen, नीचे का जो पोर्शन है वो बिल्डर ने दिया हुआ था. So we wanted to do new designing which is in the coordination of the existing furniture. यहाँ पे ये जो ओवरहेड है वो थोड़ा नीचे था, उसको हमने शिफ्ट करके एक अलाइनमेंट के लिए ऊपर ले लिया. यहाँ पे पूरा एक शटर था, तो वी हैव मेड सम मॉडिफिकेशंस, एंड देन वी हैव फिटेड दिस अपलिफ्टेड स्टोरेज which is till the end of the wall, and we have this spotlight inside which looks nice, because when you are standing in the living area you can see this wall. So this is kind of an open kitchen, so it is very much needed कि हम इसको अच्छे से beautify करें. Then we have this side, we also have the open shelf, so that as you can see when we are cooking we need some tea, sugar or salt on the one hand distance, so it is very easy for the regular operations. And then on the top we have the C-shaped loft, तो हमने पूरा जो एरिया है वो कवर कर दिया है for the extra storage. On the other side also we have this hydraulic openable shutters, तो यहाँ पे हमने black profile लिया हुआ है, and then we have the clear glass with the lights. For the chimney we did not wanted कि यहाँ पे आजू बाजू में दो storage हो, तो center वाला जो space है वो depth में दिखे and it does not look good. So we have this shutter storage which is push to open, and we definitely wanted to utilize whatever space we have. So we have then kept a ledge over here. So if we want to keep anything, they can utilize the space for the storage. And at the same time, जो चिमनी का ये यूनिट है वो हमें हाइड करना था. So we have this shutter. Now coming to the aesthetic part, यहाँ पे हमने नीचे भी एक indirect light ले लिया हुआ है. As I mentioned, this is clearly visible from the living area. We wanted कि जब भी ये सारी लाइट बंद है, किचन में कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा है, but when you have guest over or you have some get together, तो सिर्फ आप ये नीचे की लाइट जो है, और यहाँ पे भी हमने सेम लाइट्स दे दी है, वो सिर्फ चालू करते हैं तो किचन का लुक बहुत अमेजिंग आता है. As you can see it over here, we have switched off all the kitchen lights, but we just have this designer lights on, and it is giving very nice effect. Now coming to the main element of the kitchen, this rolling shutter. So ये दिखने में जितना ही amazing दिखता है, actually उसका functional जो purpose है, it is way more than what you just see. So rolling shutter दो मटेरियल में आते हैं, one is PVC and one is the glass rolling shutter. यहाँ पे हमने glass rolling shutter यूज किया हुआ है. Glass rolling shutter is much expensive than the PVC shutter. यहाँ पे we wanted to go for the black rolling shutter because हमने black का combination को हमें contrast में करना था. So this is a handle. We have this nice rolling shutter and then we have made this storage on the other side. यहाँ पे हमने अंदर लाइट्स ले लिए है. What we have done over here is कि हमें जैसे यहाँ पे आप मिक्सचर देख रहे हो या हम OTG रख रहे हैं तो उसका जो प्लग पॉइंट है वो ऑलवेज प्लग इन रहना चाहिए, बट एट द सेम टाइम उसकी जो स्विच है वो पीछे नहीं रख सकते, अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेरी इनकन्वीनियंट फॉर द यूजेज. तो हमने जो स्विचेस है वो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में बाहर ले लिया है. We have also provided extra socket on that side because builder ने यहाँ पे कोई भी socket नहीं दिया हुआ है. So हमें लगा कि अगर switch board दे रहे हैं तो we can also provide one extra socket. Then जो bottom tray है उसको हमने sliding कर दिया है so that you can get the tray out. You can just put the jar on the mixture. You can utilize and just put it back. Then we have the shelves and this is about the rolling shutter. So this is about the kitchen. Now let me show you the utility area of the house. So now about the utility area. तो जो client का requirement था, they wanted a storage. उनको एक OTG रखने के लिए proper space चाहिए था और counter top. And then we have this pipes जो कि duct area में है, उसको हमें hide करना था. At the same time हमें उसमें storage भी देना था. So this what we have done is कि उसको हमने cover कर दिया है and then उसमें हमने storage boxes लगा दिए हैं, ऊपर और नीचे से भी हमने पैक किया है उसको. And यहाँ पे once you enter in the dry balcony, we have this nice big granite का platform for the utility. नीचे हमारा washing machine fit हो गया है and left side पे we have the storage. Also we have fixed the window on the open space. So this is about the utility area. So this is the multi-purpose room of the house. यहाँ पे client का जो requirement था, it was like they wanted a big working area. They wanted a nice, elegant puja unit, and they wanted some Indian setting. So to start with, first of all, let me show you how we have designed the puja unit in the 3D. And this is how we have designed it on the side. So this is the puja unit. यहाँ पे हमने ये पूरा puja unit PU में किया हुआ है, PU and veneer में. यहाँ पे we have nice CNC cut carving which has the PU finish. Once you open the shutters, we have this pocket doors which slides inside. So the reason why we have the pocket door is कि जब भी यहाँ पे 2-3 लोग पूजा कर रहे हैं तो door obstacle नहीं बनता है and it gives you more space. यहाँ पे अंदर हमने पूरा एक्रेलिक ले लिया है. We have this nice carving of Om and this Sathya design. Then we have this backlight over there. We have the spotlight also on the top and we have this nice bells on both the side which gives a very nice and soothing effect. नीचे हमने steps बना दिए हैं for the idols and then we have this tray. यहाँ पे हमने opening के लिए एक provision दे दिया हुआ है so that we can just open the tray and then we have nice storage inside. यहाँ पे we can have the प्रसाद और दिया वगैरह करना है तो it is better कि आप अंदर की जगह बाहर के surface पे करो so that eventually ऊपर का जो top है वो आपका black fumes वगैरह gather ना हो जाए और it remains neat and clean. So this is the push to open tray. Then we have big storage over here for the puja. And then we have these 2 shutters with the shelf. So this is the pocket door. So we can just get it out. So this is about the puja unit. So now this is the master bedroom. Client का जो requirement था for the master bedroom, they wanted a nice bed with storage, comfortable headboard और side units. They wanted nice TV unit with the storage, dresser and mirror and a wardrobe with loft. So first let me show you how we have designed the main accent wall of this bedroom. And this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details. So this is the king size bed with storage. यहाँ पे हमारा जो theme है of the color palette, we have gone for a very pastel colors. Headboard जो है वो हमने पूरा cushioning में लिया हुआ है with the nice designs. On the accent wall of the bed back हमने पूरा covering किया हुआ है. And then we have this nice tea patti which gives a very nice and luxurious look. So the entire bedroom is again in the PU finish, so it looks very classy. We have these beautiful edges. So the side units are in the contrast color of the major element which we have taken like bed and TV unit. We wanted to add one highlighter color which is the dark coffee color which we have used on the side units and TV unit and the dresser ka bottom storage. On the other side we have this beautiful curtain and the view outside is also very amazing. So यहाँ पे हमने जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है वो बेड बैग और बेड का जो कलर है उससे मैच करने का ट्राई किया हुआ है. एंड वी हैव दिस वेरी नाइस वेलवेटी फैब्रिक ओवर हियर. एंड देन वी हैव द लाइट ऑन द सीलिंग which falls on the curtain and gives a very soothing look. So now let me first show you how we have designed the TV unit wall and dresser wall in the 3D. And this is the final outcome. Let me show you the details of the same. So this is the TV unit wall. हमने यहाँ पे पूरा पैनलिंग किया हुआ है. And then we have this grooves over here. इसमें हमने LED लाइट बिठाई हुई है which has the remote controlling and the sensor and the dimmer. So I'll show you. But before that, this entire wall हमने PU finish लिया हुआ है and नीचे हमने storage लिया हुआ है in the contrast color which has the drawers. एंड सेंटर का जो पोर्शन है उसको हमने ग्लास वाला प्रोफाइल शटर ले लिया है. सो नाउ व्हेन वी स्टार्ट दिस लाइट इट गिव्स अमेजिंग लुक एंड इट आल्सो हैज द कलर ऑप्शंस एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर. एंड यू कैन आल्सो डिम द लाइट्स. So it can also work as a mode light. Even the minimum illumination रखते हो तो it also works as a night lamp because minimum dimmer में ये बहुत ही soothing look देता है. So this is a very very classy wall which we have designed over here. And this entire storage is also in PU finish. Next to the TV unit, we have this giant dresser mirror with a touch LED. This also comes with 3 lights. Then we have this drawer for the dresser. On the wall which is next to the dresser, we have this beautiful molding design with the picture light. So this is about the TV unit wall side. Now let me take you on the wardrobe side. Let me show you the details. So we have this beautiful wardrobe over here. ये पूरा PU finish में किया हुआ है with the tea patti and बीच में हमने bronze mirror लिया हुआ है. This is a sliding 2-door wardrobe which has the motion sensor light inside. Once you open, we have this sensor light. It works really nice. Definitely it looks good, but at the same time functionally भी वो बहुत help कर लेता है when you are finding something in the wardrobe. This light helps you a lot to see what is inside properly. Then we have done the division, internal division as per the client's requirement. We have this hanging rods. Then we have this glass trolley and shelf designs. We have given some nice drawers also which they can use for the miscellaneous item. On the top we have this openable shutter loft which are also in the PU finish. So over here also the bed is having the floating light. So it also looks really nice. Once you enter, you can see the LED light which we have. So this is it guys, this is about this beautiful home interiors. If you like our work, please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on our Instagram channel, that is Palaksha Interiors. Stay tuned for more beautiful home interiors. Thank you.